Hi friends, I am Ruben. In this video, we talk about the different types of orders in the trading. Every investors and traders must know these orders types before started trading. Then only they can select the order types which order will help to for their profit. So I will divide the videos into two parts. The first part will be the basic part and the second part will be the advanced part. So let's talk about the basic parts. I have selected 5 order types. The first one is CNC. CNC is a cash and carry. Cash and carry means you have to buy the share or sell the share from your own amount, your own capital. For example, you have 1 lakh rupees, then you can buy the share from that amount. But some brokers give leverages, but it compared to MIS, it was minimum. So you can buy the share and store it in the demat account. You can store their share for long time and then you can get a profit from that stock after a long period. So this is the CNC, and the next one is MIS. MIS means margin intraday square off. It means the trader must square off the executed order within a day. So there is a trading will be 9:15 to 3:30. So the brokers will have a MIS, margin square of time. It was 3:15 to 3:20. So you have to square off the order. Then the brokers will give extra leverages for the MIS orders. For example, you have a 1 lakh rupees means then the brokers will 10x. Then 10 into 1 lakh means 10 lakhs. You can buy the share for your 10 lakh amounts, but you are invested 1 lakh rupees. So the profit also more than CNC, but the risk is more in intraday. Keep it in mind, guys. And the next one is market order. Market order means there are so many buyers and sellers. Their price are listed in the stock exchange. So the particular stock, the price was already listed from different traders. So if you like to buy the particular stock price at that price, then you can go for market order. And then next one is limit order. Limit order means you have your own price. You can type in the price section. If the Reliance stock at trading at 2000 means you can know if the stock will reduce to 1990, then you can select that price point to execute the order. It was pending. When will execute means if that price will come to 1990, then your order will executed. But it is very safety compared to market order. And the next one is stop loss market. Stop loss market means if you are executed a buy position in Reliance stock at 2000 rupees, then you have to set a stop loss for that order. Then your stop loss, I accepted 10 rupees, so 2000 minus 10, 1990 my stop loss. You have to select the stop loss in the trigger option. There will you have to type the 1990 is my stop loss. So then you have to execute the order. Let's discuss in briefly. I have created some step by step for these order types. First discuss about the CNC. First you have to select the step one is you have to select the quantity, how much quantity do you want, and then select the order. MAS or CNC. Now I selected CNC, and the step 3 will be you have to select the market order or limit order. You can buy any of the market order or limit order. I already told about that. Then you have to select the regular order. You have to select the regular order, and then you have to select the day, and then you have to execute the order. And the next one is MAS. MAS means the same steps, but you have to select the opposite to CNC. You have to select the MAS order, and then you have to select the price in market order or limit order. You have to select that, and then the same options like that you have to execute the order. And the next one is limit order. The limit order means you have to select your own price, then you have to execute the order. And the next one is market order, means you have to buy the share or sell the share at the already listed in the price of the particular stock from other traders. And the next one is stop loss market. The same steps in the stop loss market, but you have to select the stop loss market, and you have to type the trigger amount, how much my stop loss from the buying point. I bought at 2000, means you have to select it at your trigger price. So then will be your stop loss will hit if the stock will goes against your order. If you buy it, then the stock will reduce that price, it will be a loss for you. So the loss will stop at that point. It will reduce the risk for your capital. So keep it in mind, guys. These are all the basic order types. We will discuss the advanced order type in the upcoming video. So let's see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.